Imagine trying to build a highway through some of the most unforgiving terrain on Earth. Towering mountains rise straight out of the sea. Massive fjords cut deep into the coastline. Every winter, avalanches bury roads beneath thousands of tons of snow, while violent storms batter bridges with hurricane-force winds. For most countries, these obstacles would be enough to make large parts of the landscape almost impossible to reach. But somehow, Norway did the impossible. Today, this small nation has built one of the world's most extraordinary transportation networks. Drivers pass through tunnels carved deep inside solid mountains, cross bridges stretching over breathtaking fjords, and travel along roads that seem to float above the Atlantic Ocean. Some of these engineering projects were once considered impossible. Others pushed the limits of technology at the time they were built. So how did Norway connect a country that nature seemed determined to keep apart? The answer is a story of ambition, innovation, and one of the greatest engineering achievements of the modern world. To understand Norway's incredible roads, you first have to understand the land itself. Norway is one of the most geographically challenging countries on Earth. Nearly 2/3 of its territory is covered by mountains, many rising over 2,000 meters above sea level. Instead of long, flat plains, the landscape is dominated by steep cliffs, deep valleys, and rugged peaks shaped by millions of years of glacial erosion. But the mountains are only part of the challenge. Along Norway's western coast, glaciers carved enormous fjords, some stretching more than 200 kilometers inland and plunging over 1,300 meters deep. These natural wonders are breathtaking, but they also act as giant barriers, separating communities with walls of water and rock. For centuries, traveling from one village to another often meant taking long, dangerous journeys by boat or crossing mountain passes that were blocked by snow for months every year. Even today, Norway experiences some of Europe's harshest weather. Powerful Atlantic storms bring hurricane-force winds, while heavy snowfall and avalanches regularly threaten roads and infrastructure. In some regions, entire highways can disappear beneath several meters of snow overnight. Building roads here wasn't simply difficult. It demanded entirely new engineering solutions. Every tunnel, every bridge, and every mountain road had to overcome obstacles that most countries never face. Connecting Norway would require far more than concrete and asphalt. It would require rewriting the rules of engineering itself. If mountains couldn't be moved, Norway's engineers made a bold decision. They would simply go through them. Today, Norway has over 1,200 road tunnels, more than any other country on Earth. Together, they stretch for hundreds of kilometers, connecting cities, remote villages, and isolated communities that were once separated by nearly impassable terrain. But drilling a tunnel through solid granite is one of the most difficult engineering challenges imaginable. Every meter of progress requires blasting, excavation, rock stabilization, drainage systems, ventilation, lighting, emergency exits, and constant geological monitoring. One of the greatest examples is the Lærdal Tunnel. At 24.5 kilometers, it is the longest road tunnel in the world. Driving through it takes nearly 20 minutes. Without careful planning, such a journey could become exhausting or even dangerous for drivers. To solve this problem, engineers created something no one had ever seen before. Every few kilometers, the tunnel opens into massive underground caverns, illuminated with blue and golden lighting. These chambers are carefully designed to reduce driver fatigue, restore concentration, and create the feeling of entering a completely new space. Hidden behind the walls is an enormous network of fans, emergency communication systems, fire protection equipment, surveillance cameras, and air quality sensors operating around the clock. Thousands of vehicles pass safely through the tunnel every day without ever realizing the technology surrounding them. But Lærdal is only one part of a much larger underground network. Across Norway, engineers continue to carve tunnels through mountains, beneath cities, and even under the sea, transforming impossible landscapes into connected highways. Tunnels solved one problem, but Norway still faced another challenge unlike anywhere else on Earth. Across the country's western coastline, deep fjords cut through the landscape like enormous cracks. Some stretch for hundreds of kilometers, while others plunge more than 1,000 meters below the surface. Building a traditional bridge across these waterways wasn't simply difficult. It was often impossible. Engineers had to design structures capable of withstanding powerful ocean currents, freezing winters, hurricane-force winds, and constantly changing weather conditions. Every bridge had to be strong enough to survive nature at its worst, while remaining safe for thousands of vehicles every day. One of Norway's most famous achievements is the Atlantic Ocean Road. Rather than crossing a single fjord, this spectacular highway connects a chain of small islands using 8 bridges that appear to rise directly from the sea. During storms, waves crash over the roadway, creating one of the most dramatic driving experiences anywhere in the world. Another engineering masterpiece is the Hardanger Bridge, one of the longest suspension bridges on the planet. Spanning more than 1.3 kilometers across one of Norway's deepest fjords, it replaced long ferry crossings and dramatically reduced travel time between entire regions. But building these bridges required far more than pouring concrete and lifting steel into place. Every cable, foundation, and support tower had to be carefully designed to withstand decades of extreme weather while protecting the fragile natural environment surrounding them. Together, these bridges transformed Norway's coastline from a barrier into a highway, connecting people, businesses, and entire communities that had once been separated by the sea. Building roads through mountains was only the beginning. Keeping them open is an entirely different challenge. Every winter, enormous amounts of snow accumulate across Norway's mountain ranges. Under the right conditions, that snow can suddenly collapse, creating avalanches capable of destroying buildings, burying highways, and cutting off entire communities within seconds. Some avalanches can travel at speeds exceeding 200 kilometers per hour, carrying thousands of tons of snow, ice, rocks, and debris. For engineers, the question was no longer how to build roads, but how to protect them from one of nature's most destructive forces. Norway's solution combines engineering, technology, and constant monitoring. Along many mountain highways, reinforced avalanche galleries, sometimes called snow sheds, allow snow to pass safely over the road while vehicles continue underneath. These concrete structures absorb tremendous forces and are designed to withstand repeated impacts year after year. In the most dangerous regions, advanced radar systems, weather stations, and movement sensors continuously monitor snow conditions. When the risk becomes too high, roads can be closed automatically before disaster strikes. Engineers also use controlled explosions to trigger smaller avalanches before unstable snow has the chance to become a catastrophic threat. By releasing the pressure under controlled conditions, they reduce the likelihood of much larger and more dangerous slides. Even with all this technology, Norway's roads still require constant attention. Snowplows operate day and night, maintenance crews inspect critical routes, and emergency teams remain ready throughout the winter season. Keeping these roads open isn't just about transportation. It's about keeping entire communities connected through some of the harshest winters on Earth. After decades of overcoming mountains, tunnels, bridges, and avalanches, you might think Norway's greatest engineering achievements are already complete. But the country's most ambitious transportation project is only just beginning. Along Norway's western coast, the E39 highway stretches for more than 1,100 kilometers, linking major cities and countless smaller communities. Despite decades of improvements, drivers still depend on multiple ferry crossings that can be delayed by storms, strong winds, or heavy traffic. To solve this problem once and for all, Norway has proposed one of the most ambitious infrastructure programs in modern history. The goal is simple, but incredibly difficult. Create a continuous ferry-free highway along the entire west coast. Achieving that vision requires engineering solutions unlike anything built before. Some fjords are too deep for traditional bridge foundations, while others are too wide for conventional suspension bridges. In several locations, engineers are studying floating bridges, anchored to the seabed, and even submerged floating tunnels, suspended beneath the water's surface. These concepts may sound like science fiction, but they are being explored because conventional solutions simply aren't practical in every location. The challenges include deep water, strong currents, harsh weather, and protecting the surrounding marine environment. If these projects move forward, They could dramatically reduce travel times, improve connections between communities, and influence how future infrastructure is designed in other countries facing similar geographic challenges. Norway's story proves that engineering isn't about fighting nature. It's about understanding it, adapting to it, and finding solutions where none seem possible. From roads carved through solid mountains to bridges stretching across vast fjords, this is more than a transportation network. It's a testament to what human ingenuity can achieve when faced with extraordinary obstacles. Norway never had the easiest geography. Towering mountains, deep fjords, violent storms, and endless winters turned even the shortest journeys into enormous challenges for generations. Yet instead of accepting those obstacles, Norway chose to overcome them. By carving tunnels through solid rock, building bridges across breathtaking fjords, protecting highways from avalanches, and exploring ideas that once seemed impossible, the country has created one of the most remarkable transportation systems on Earth. Every road tells a story, not only of concrete and steel, but of determination, innovation, and decades of engineering excellence. These roads don't simply connect cities. They connect families, businesses, remote communities, and millions of people who rely on them every single day. And perhaps that's the greatest lesson of all. The most extraordinary engineering isn't about defeating nature. It's about understanding it, respecting it, and building alongside it. If you enjoyed this documentary and want to discover more incredible engineering projects from around the world, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next documentary.